At CareCredit, we're dedicated to the hearing healthcare industry and to our providers and patients to help them get the recommended care and devices. That's why we recently reached out to a global market research company, Rothstein Tauber, to conduct a study on our behalf with nearly 2,000 patients to get a better understanding of the unique needs and the decision-making process when choosing hearing healthcare. While research showed that patients seeking hearing healthcare gathered information from various sources, online and through discussions with friends and family, the vast majority, 82%, actually sought information from the provider's office. And even though cost was a significant concern, 74% of patients said they were not made aware that financing options were available to help them with their hearing healthcare purchase. To help make sure that our patients are aware of their financing options using the CareCredit credit card, we have a lot of materials available to you to place throughout the office to show patients that financing options are available to them. We have small cling stickers that you can place on the windows, mirrors, and doors. In addition, we have patient brochures, posters, and tent cards that you can place in your waiting area, in your consultation room, and your testing room. We also have a magazine called Resonate with information on hearing loss and hearing health.
I use CareCredit materials in a lot of different ways to raise awareness that I have financing available for my patients so they can afford these great hearing aids. One of the first things when you walk into my office, on my front door, I have a sign that I accept CareCredit. Then when you get to the front desk, I have CareCredit brochures and applications so that people are aware that we do have financing for hearing aids.
In addition to these materials, we also have an exciting new tool called CareCredit Direct. It's an all-digital, all-in-one solution, and is really the next generation of the patient financing experience. CareCredit Direct is a free, web-based program that can be downloaded to any patient-accessible PC or tablet in your office. It serves as an educational tool to help patients learn more about patient financing and how those programs work. Patients can use it to estimate what their monthly payment will be so they can see just how affordable hearing healthcare can fit into their monthly budget. Patients can then apply privately in your practice. They'll get an instant credit decision, and if approved, they can use their CareCredit card to run the transaction for any amount. CareCredit Direct is intuitive to navigate, is private and secure. Because it's designed for patients to use on their own, it can save your practice time and simplify your routine. You no longer have to collect personal information or communicate credit decisions to your patient, nor do you need to retain a copy of the CareCredit application on file.
At Advanced Audiology, I have used CareCredit for many years, and it is the best thing that I have done for all of my patients, because I am a patient advocate, and what I want to do is make sure that you as a patient can afford the best and get the best and not have to worry. So that is why I love to offer CareCredit financing in my practice, and it has been so successful that nobody ever walks out the door that really needs a hearing aid.
The CareCredit Direct tool, as well as our other materials, are available to download or order at no charge to our practices. Enrolled providers can reach out to your practice development team. Practices that are not enrolled can call for more information. On behalf of CareCredit, I'd like to thank Nola and her staff for allowing us to shoot this video in her beautiful office and to showcase the many resources we have available for our providers.